everybody. Nope. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It is the Asia White. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, or if you're waiting to see whether or not you're gonna like the channel, why wouldn't you like the channel? Why wouldn't they like the channel?
Because I don't know, because we're weird.
Yeah, I am a little weird.
Like that.
But I love makeup, and this channel is all about makeup, all things beauty. Every now and again my daughter will convince me to throw something in there that's a little bit funny for her. So if you want to have fun, just hang out with your girlfriend, do makeup, this is the channel for you. I hope to see you guys in the comment section. See you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do.